I welcome you all in the online class of Social Studies. Nowadays, we are studying about coastal plains. Okay. In the previous video, we had studied about Andhra Pradesh. Today, we will know about one more coastal state, that is Tamil Nadu. Okay. We will continue the same chapter, chapter number 15, Coastal Plains and Islands. See, in short, main features of the state. Capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Total area 1,30,000 square kilometer. Number of districts 32. Population around 70 million. Main rivers Kaveri, Palar and Vaigai. Main languages Tamil and English. Okay. Now we will see location of the state Tamil Nadu in the map of India. Then we will continue the chapter. Okay. Students, see in the south of India, here it is Tamil Nadu. It shares its border with the states of Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Tamil Nadu is located on Coromandel coast. It is one of the eastern coastal plains. It is the southernmost state of India. As I shown you in the map, it is located in the southernmost. South of Andhra Pradesh, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Kaveri, Palar and Vaigai are the main rivers flowing through the state. Tamil and English are the main languages of the state. Except Tamil, people also speak English. Men wear dhoti or vesti with shirt. Women wear saris. Bharatanatyam is a well-known classical dance form of the state. Pongal, Eid, Diwali and Christmas are festivals celebrated in the state. Farming is the main occupation of the people living in the state. Tea, coffee, rice, cotton, sugarcane and groundnut are the main crops of the state grown by the farmers. Except farming, textiles, heavy machinery, handlooms, electronics and automobiles are the major industries of the state. Marina Beach, Mahabalipuram and Kanyakumari are popular tourist spots. Chennai and Ennore are important port cities. Madurai, Kanchipuram and Coimbatore are important cities of the state. Now see about the capital city. In short, the southern metro Chennai, earlier known as Madras, is the biggest city of South India. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It faces the Bay of Bengal and is located on the eastern coast of India. Now see in short the climate of Tamil Nadu. Chennai has hot and humid climate throughout the year. Throughout means whole year. But the temperature does not rise above 40 degrees Celsius. This is a hot and humid area, but temperature never rise above 40 degrees Celsius. It receives most of its rainfall between November and January. So, this is January. So, this time Tamil Nadu get rainfall. Okay. Students, see here it is Puducherry. Now, we will know about Puducherry. This is a union territory. There are total 9 union territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir became a union territory on 31st October 2019. Lakshadweep, Ladakh and Puducherry. Okay, these are the names of 9 union territories. Now we will know about Puducherry, that is located on the eastern coast of India. See, Puducherry is divided into 4 districts for administrative purposes. For making administration easier, it is divided into 4 districts. And the names are Puducherry, Karaikal, Mahe and Yanam. These are the names of the 4 districts. Puducherry was formerly means earlier, a French colony. Till 1954, it was a French colony. Puducherry is a multicultural city. Multicultural means people celebrate different culture there. People belonging to different culture live there. And an education hub. HUB. Hub means center. Majority of the people speak Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, French and English. These are the languages spoken by the people of Puducherry. The industries here manufacture computers, electronics, rice bran, oil, pharmaceuticals related to medicine, drugs you can say. Drugs means medicines. Leather goods means products made from leather, and many other products. Except these, many other products also, industries also. There are beautiful beaches in Puducherry, and the Aurobindo Ashram is an attraction for tourists from all over the world. Students, today we learned about Eastern Coastal Plains states that are Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. In the next video, we will know about 2 more coastal plains. They are Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Till then, listen the video carefully, revise the topic. Thank you. God bless you all.